He's just standing there.
I'm a bird.
Oh, great heavens!
Break him, John.
Requesting recon flyover.
They're coming in through the back door!
Copy, UAV. Yes, who?
Oh shit, not good.
Come back here, you!
I'm so fucking scared right now!